Okay, so now let's install Unifi controller. You just double click and click on run, click on install, and click finish, and click on manage server in browser. In here you just put the name, and I click on I agree and click next. Yes, so in here we click on advanced setup and I skip this step, and then I will create this local access. So for the username I will use, and for the password, here the email, you can use your email, and click finish. Yes, you can save the password. Another controller we install already, and so in here we go to the setting, and before go setting we can see in here do not have the Wi-Fi, we do not plug the Unifi in the network yet, and then we have to set up the Wi-Fi name SSID. In here go to the setting and create new. You see the SSID example I use testing, and the password I use testing, and like this, and I click on add Wi-Fi network. Okay, so now we have one Wi-Fi name testing, and I will create one more Wi-Fi name, and I will display test only, test, and password like this. After the password, click on add Wi-Fi network. So now I have two Wi-Fi's name, and we can set the bandwidth for the Wi-Fi also. So we click on here and click on profile, and then click on Wi-Fi speed limit, and we create a new profile. And this is the default, and I want to create a new profile, so I name it for testing. It means that at the moment we create two SSID, two Wi-Fi name, one testing and one test. So this is for testing. This is for testing, and I limit 2 MB and 2 MB only, and add, and then I create one more for test, and I rename test. So I allow 1 MB and 1 MB bandwidth limit, download and upload 1 MB also, and add. Now we have two profiles, totally 3 profiles. This is the default one, and this is we just create at the moment, testing and test, and then we apply testing in the testing Wi-Fi and test profile for the test Wi-Fi. To do that, we go to the Wi-Fi. This is the Wi-Fi name. We click on setting and we see Wi-Fi name, and click on testing. Yes, this is testing, and we go to the manual and scroll down. We will see the Wi-Fi speed limit, and we click on this one, and then we select the profile that we just created at the moment. So testing 2 MB, and applied. Yes, I click for testing, and then I apply change. So when someone connect to the Wi-Fi testing, they will get speed bandwidth 2 MB. And for test, I click on test. I click on the manual. I do the same. I go to Wi-Fi speed. I click on in here, and then select for test. After I click on apply change, and so when someone connect to the Wi-Fi name test, they will get 1 MB only. And after we plug Unifi U6 Pro to the network, so it's appear in here. This is the new one, and we click to adapt. Click on it, and yes, now it is updating, and now it is updated. And let's go to test our Wi-Fi. Testing, and I connect testing, and then go to the speed test. And as we talked already, at the moment testing we allow 2 MB, so download is around 2 MB in here. Just download is around 2 MB, and just 1.74 MB, and upload is, let's see, yes, it's around 2 MB. And then I go to another Wi-Fi. I select test, and for the test we allow 1 megabyte only. So when we testing, it will be around 1 megabyte upload and download. And let's check together. Okay, so that's it. And please leave your comment if you have something more about the setup Unifi controller.